Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to use trainers and mods on your jailbroken PS4. Now for this to work you must first need to run your jailbreak. So I'm using an offline jailbreak. Right now I am not connected to the internet. Let me first jailbreak my PS4. Now I am using Dark Moders 6.7 to jailbreak exploit. Jailbreak your PS4. Now after jailbreaking your PS4, you need to connect to internet. I'm using my phone's hotspot. So my device hotspot is on. You can also use LAN. So here is my Wi-Fi network. Now, after successfully connecting to internet, head back to the jailbreak website. Now after opening the jailbreak website, you can find the WebRTE payload in there. Just run this WebRTE payload after connecting to the internet. Now after the payload is launched successfully, you need to grab your phone and go to Play Store and download PS4 Trainer app. You can find two versions of this. You should download the second one, the PS4 Trainer by Top Glitch. The second one. Install this app. So after installing, open PS4 Trainer app. You might get a blank screen sometimes. Click on the left three dot menu here and click on Trainer. Now back to your PlayStation. Go to settings. You need to be connected to the internet for this process to run successfully. Go to view connection status and you need to note down your IP address. Note down the IP on the PS4 IP 192.68.6. Now it's the same IP which I have entered. Now click on attach. So after this, launch any game. I'll be opening Horizon Zero Dawn.
Now this to work perfectly, your PlayStation should be connected to your phone's hotspot.
Now after the game has been opened, search for your game here on the search menu. Here you may find different versions of the game. You need to make sure which version of the game you are running on your PS4. You need to know two things: the CUSA version and the game version. Let me just tell you how to find your game version. If you head back to the main screen, while on the icon, click on Options, go to Information. Here you will get to know the game version, which is 1.52. Now the other CUSA version, you can know that from the installation file, or else go to Notification. So here you can find all the list of games which you installed, the fake packages. So here's Horizon Zero Dawn, HRZCE. This one is a Horizon Zero Dawn, and this one is CUSA 10213. You need to know this version. So let me head back to the game. Now here's my version, CUSA 0213 version 1.52. Now if you see here the status, you can see mine shows trainers failed to attach. Let me go back. I think I did some problem. Make sure the IP address is correct. It's actually 136 and I have mentioned 135. Let me just correct that and click OK. Head back to the game. Open it. No. Here's my installed version. Now here you can see the status says trainer attached. Now here are the list of modes you can use. God mode, one hit kill, infinite items, freeze timer. So you can check that out. So I have turned on 4 options. Let me just show you. Now if you look closely, my arrows are infinite, 40 out of 40. See, they are never ending. Never ending items. So as you can see guys, I have infinite items. There are a lot of options. You can go through this. So one more important thing, you need to be connected. You cannot turn off this hotspot or Wi-Fi while you are playing. This needs to be connected while you're gaming to work. So the same procedure goes for all the other games. As you can see, I'm still connected to the same network. Your phone network and the PS4 network should be the same in order for this to work. You can also try some other games. There are a lot of games present in PS4 Trainer. You have the search options. You can search the game which you want to mod. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching.